Here's a problem that starts arguments online. 3 plus 4 times 2. Most people confidently say 14, but the correct answer is 11. If that surprises you, don't worry, because by the end of this video you'll never get one of these wrong again. The secret is a simple set of rules called the order of operations, and once you see it, math suddenly makes a lot more sense. The reason we need rules is simple. Without them, the same expression could give different answers, and math would fall apart. So mathematicians agreed on one fixed order, often remembered as PEMDAS. First, anything inside parentheses. Then exponents, the little powers. Then multiplication and division, working from left to right. And finally addition and subtraction, also left to right. Notice that multiplication and division are on the same level, and so are addition and subtraction. Keep that in mind, it matters later. Let's solve that first problem properly. 3 plus 4 times 2. Following the order, multiplication comes before addition. So we do 4 times 2 first, which is 8. Now the problem becomes 3 plus 8, and that gives us 11. That's why it's 11, not 14. The addition had to wait its turn. This one rule, do multiplication before addition, fixes the most common mistake in all of math. Now watch how parentheses change everything. Take the same numbers, but wrap the first part in parentheses. Open parenthesis, 3 plus 4 close parenthesis, times 2. Parentheses are first in the order, so now we add 3 plus 4 first, which is 7. Then we multiply 7 times 2, and we get 14. Same numbers, completely different answer, just because of those parentheses. They're like a fast pass that jumps to the front of the line. Let's add an exponent to level up. Consider 5 plus 2 times 3 squared. Exponents come right after parentheses, so we handle 3 squared first. 3 squared means 3 times 3, which is 9. Now the expression is 5 plus 2 times 9. Multiplication is next, so 2 times 9 is 18. And finally, 5 plus 18 gives us 23. Step by step, the order never lets us guess. Here's the trap that even careful people fall into. Look at 20 divided by 4 times 2. Multiplication and division are on the same level, so you do not do all the multiplication first. Instead, you work from left to right. Left to right means division comes first here. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Then 5 times 2 is 10. If you had multiplied first, you'd get the wrong answer. Same level, always left to right. Let's lock it in. Do parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. The two big traps are forgetting that multiplication comes before addition, and forgetting that same level operations go left to right. Master those two, and you've mastered the order of operations. If this made it click, subscribe, and let's keep going with the next topic.